Hello and welcome to part 10 of the Esprit renovation video, where we'll be showing a key milestone of leaving the body shop and bringing the car home. I hope you enjoy.
Unity 1, just having fun. Unity 1,
just having fun.
Unity 1, Lotus Esprit. Unity 1,
See the colour on there now.
Just having fun.
Home.
just having fun. Unity 1,
Just having fun.
Unity 1, Lotus Esprit.
Just having fun.
With the car now home, it's time to work on the next stages of the project, including the interior with carpets, audio and headlining, and then other mechanical and lighting improvements. Thanks again for watching.